Frost, are you ill?
Yeah.
Frost, you iced my irises and froze my freesias. Frost, your illness is affecting us all. Get yourself to bed.
Okay, that was almost a brain freeze.
Honey tea.